अस्तु आरम्भं करोतु।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति 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 हरिः ओम। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वददाम्यहं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानम् आहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुर्नैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो।
धन्यवादः। गतकक्षायां वयं परसवर्णसन्धि इति दृष्टवन्तः। अहं ग्रूप् मध्ये एक प्रार्थनां प्रेषितवती। सर्वे दृष्टवन्तः वा? इदानीं वयं पश्यामः तत्र तत् सन्धिविषये किमपि अस्ति। प्रार्थनामपि वयं वदामः। संस्कृत व्याकरण पठनसमये व्याकरणपठनात् पूर्वं ते प्रार्थनाः वदामः। अतः we will learn the prarthana also. एकनिमिषम्, I will share that prarthana.
That is Dakshinamurti or Panini Stotram, no? That is Yena. This is Panin.
Yeah. All this, you know, Panini Sutra Patanat Purvam. एतत् सब प्रार्थनाः वदामः। अत्र सन्धिविषये अपि किमपि अस्ति, अतः अहं प्रेषितवती। So that you know, you also learn the प्रार्थना and also look at वीणा महोदय गतकक्षायां भवती न आगतवती न? परन्तु वीडियो दृष्टवती वा? न?
No, I didn't get the video. I looked actually.
She said she.
I don't know. I could not locate it. I could not locate the video, and I could not find the slides also.
Slides also there.
Yeah, which slide was it?
You know, for the slides
actually,
you can go to Maalatee. Through Maalatee, you know that Google Drive. If you go there, all the slides.
All the slides are there. I'll just check once more.
Actually, I should have a link. I should have this thing. For that, you know, I have to do something, which I'm not very sure of how to do. I always take my brother-in-law's help. So I just wrote the slide number there.
Okay, I think I'll check. I'll have all the slides and just check once.
Anyway, Shishira Mahodaya Bhavati Patatu Pratamam Shlokam Patatu. Anantaram Vayam Pashyamah.
Yenaksharasamanmayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Krishnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha.
Veena Mahodaya Bhavati Dvitiyam Shlokam Patatu.
Yena Dhauta Giraf Pumsam Vimalaihi Shabdavaribihi Tasmacha Gnanajam
Tamascha
Gnanajam Bhinnam Tasmai Padinaye Namaha.
Chitra Mahodaya Bhavati Patatu Tritiyam Shlokam.
Namaskaraha. अज्ञानस्य लोकस्य
अज्ञानान्धस्य एकनिमिषम् अज्ञानान्धस्य सवर्णदीर्घसन्धि अस्ति तत्र पठतु पठतु
अज्ञानान्धस्य लोकस्य ज्ञानाञ्जन शलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं पररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्
अस्तु वा इदानीं गतकक्षायां वयं दृष्टवन्तः न का सन्धि आसीत् तत् सा What was the sandhi we learned in the last class?
Anunasika.
Anunasika va?
Anunasika was previous class, I think.
Last time?
Parasavarna.
Parasavarna. Yes. Yes.
इदानीं वदतु प्रथमे श्लोके किमपि अस्ति वा सुशीला महोदय भवती वदतु
Who has to say?
Sushila.
Samnaya?
No. Enakshara samamnaya.
Samamnaya. So samamnaya.
Samamnayam adhigamya. Tatra kimapi nasti.
Oh.
Parasavarna sande nemaha kaha.
First, in the second thing, one of those Anunasika has to be there. Oh, I forgot then if it is not that.
Anuswara is at the end of the first word.
First word, yeah.
Purva varnaha anuswara bhavati. Astu va? Atra pashyatu. Kritsnam vyakaranam.
Okay.
Tatra kim bhavati? Anunasika kim? Anunasika?
Naka. Krishnam.
Krishnam im.
Anunasika. But sandhim kurmah chet kim bhavishyati? Atra kim agacchati? Anuswara asti kala. Anuswara asti kala. Anuswarasya sthane kim agacchati?
Makara.
Makara agacchiva. Atra paravarna kim? Paravarna kim?
Paravarna vyanjanam.
Kim.
If it has to come. If.
So, if was there, what will come there?
Plus with that
Anunasika vakara. Krishnam vyakara. Kritsnam vyakaranam. That's what see, any shloka, anything you see, you try to look at those things. That is how you will learn. You don't have to have a separate exercise at all. All this is exercise.
Mahodaya, but why not that Samnaya? Yenaksharas Samnaya, that Makara?
Enakshara samamnaya. Actually, this word I am not sure. Enakshara samamnaya. Samamnayam adhigamya. Ena akshara samamnayam adhigamya maheshwarat. Akshara samamnaya. Iti ekam padam asti kila. Tatra.
Okay.
That samamna. Ena, by whom? Atra pashyatu. Tasmai padinaye namaha iti. Astu va? So, it's a salutation to Panini. Idrishaha Paninihi saha, by whom? Ena akshara samamnayam maheshwarat adhigamya. After obtaining the akshara samuham from Maheshwara, because the 14 sutras, Ayumun Riluk, Maheshwara Sutrani, he got from Maheshwara directly. Maheshwara Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam. Ena Paninina Maheshwarat Akshara Samamnayam Adhigatam. And Ena Vyakaranam Kritsnam Proktam. Complete Vyakarana was told by him. Why? How?
Krishnam means, what does
Krishnam means fully, complete,
fully,
everything.
complete.
Fully. Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam. Tadrishaya Paninaye Namaha. Tasmai Paninaye Namaha iti asti. So atra kim agachati? Proktam tasmai iti tatra kim bhavati? Anuswara asti kila proktam.
Anuswara. So wherever there is this anuswara, that means it has near, you can think that there is a
yeah, that is what Parasavarna Sandhi I taught you, no, last week.
Yes.
So what comes there?
Takara tathadadana.
Proktam tasmai.
So you have to write it. So proktam tasmai.
No, that it comes. We can say like this. So it is vikalpena. Okay. But I want you to observe that. See, this I shared because I want you people to learn these shlokas. I don't know how many of you enrolled for that Ashtadhyayi class.
No, I didn't, because I don't have the time at all.
Yeah, you don't have time.
Yeah, okay. I also didn't enroll.
No, but this Ashtadhyayi Param, okay, whenever you learn Ashtadhyayi, it's okay. At least this is like putting an application to Panini. Hello, Panini, I'm going to learn Ashtadhyayi sometime in life. Okay. But before that, I'm praying to you. Please bless me. Okay? You can pray to him first and then start learning anytime you are free.
Yes.
Astuva? So I want you people to learn the prarthana also. For the prarthana's sake. And also look at all this. Proktam tasmai panine namaha. Chitra Mahodaya bhavati vadatu. Atra kimapi asti va? येन धौता गिरः
पुंसा विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः.
Lot of Parasavarna Sandhi in all these slokas are there. Every sloka has got one at least. See, you look, where is Anuswara? See, when I am asking you to look, so where is Anuswara? Pumsam.
Pumsam.
Then Paravarna kim?
Ikara, Vimala.
Va.
Yara.
Va. Va na, Parapumsam Vimala. V is va only, no? If plus E, no? So, Anuswarat Paraha Vakaraha Bhavati Chet Tatra Kim Agachate. See, in the previous one, the Kritsnam Vyakaranam also, you only said that. Chitra Mahodaya Bhavati Uktavati Tatra.
I told Mahodaya.
You only told. Okay.
Voice seems to be the same.
So it's already she had told you. Tatra Kim Agachati.
Vakara Pumsa Vimalaihi. That V is
in place of this Anunasika, Kim Bhavet Tatra. Etaha Paravarna Va asti kila. So?
Pumsa. Va means Pumsa.
No. Ya va la bhavati chet tesham anunasika parnaha bhavati. Va iti chandrabindu bhavati kila va tasya upari. Pumsam vimalai. I told you Nasika, you have to make that sound.
Exactly,
you
Mama.
Remember
Revision, I didn't do that because at the video I didn't see.
No. It's not a question of we are not doing. This is the revision I am doing here.
Okay.
You don't have to do revision. I am trying to teach you here. Astuva? See, because I saw the shloka and I saw a lot of opportunities for finding out the Parasavarna Sandhi. I thought I will share the shloka.
If it comes means
Chandra Tasya Anunasika Parnaha Bhavati Tatra. Pumsam Vimala. I told you know how to say it with a nasal sound. That va with the Chandra Bindu. Astu va? Atrapi Tadeva Asit. Vyakaranam va. कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं पुंसां विमलै अत्र किं भवति अत्र पश्यतु सेकेंड लाइन मध्ये तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं जम् इति तत्र अनुस्वार परवर्णः किं
ब
तस्य अनुनासिकः भवति. So anyway, this sound phonetically it is the same. Tamaschagnanajam makara. Pavargasya anunasika varna kim? Ma. Na? Pa ba ma. Tamaschagnanajam.
So
Atra
all,
pashyatu.
Mahadaya, so only the rule will be applied only while pronouncing.
Yeah, pronouncing.
Only for pronouncing you have
You
to
don't
use.
have to, because it is vikalpena. So you there is a this thing to make that sandhi there.
Okay.
There is a chance for that sandhi to occur there. That's what I want you to see. I want you to understand. And idani atra vadatu chitra binnam.
Anunasika, that is binnam tasma.
Anunasika kasya anunasika varna bhavati tatra. Kim bhavati tatra? Paravarnah tavargase anunasika varna kim? Kim? So binnam tasmai.
So it will be read as binnam tasmai. Mahadaya, it will be
you can
read
say
as
like that.
binnam tasmai. Okay.
You can say like that.
Mahadaya, the next time chakshurun militam yena, that is Chandrabindu.
Yeah. I am more concentrating on that. Otherwise, I should have. No. We've not come now to the third shloka. When we come there, we will look at it. Anywhere else, if I left out Visarga Sandhi, I will ask you. Vimalai, atra Visarga Sandhi we have not done, but by now you are familiar. Vimalai Shabdavaribihi. Atra Visarga Sandhi we will do later. We have not done in the class yet. But I am just telling you, because many times you know that Visarga becomes Repa. Repa agachati. Sakaraha agachati. Atra Vimalaish Shabdavari bhavati. Atra Vimalaish. Visarga goes away and Vimalaish Shabdavari. This we have done. Then Veena Mahodaya, you want to try?
Ajnanandasya lokasya gnananjana shalakaya. There's no sandhi there. There is, but gnananjana.
Jnana Anjana Tatra Savarna Dirgha Satya.
Jnana
Anjana. Jnana Anjana Salaka. Ajnana Andasya. Tatra api Savarna Dirgha.
Savarna Dirgha.
Ajnanena Andaha. He is blind because of ignorance. Astu va? Ajnanena Andaha. Tatapi Tatpurusha Samasaha bhavati. Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasaha. We have not done Samasa yet. So you don't have to worry about it. But since it is coming here, I am telling you. Ajnanena Andaha Tasya. Ajnanena Andaha iti agachati iti Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasaha bhavati. Astu va? Ajnanandasya Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Look at the Sandhi. Lokasya Jnananjana Shalakaya. Atra Pasya Chakshurunmilitam yena. Chakshuhu Unmilitam. Ataha Atra
Visarga becomes a repa.
Repa bhavati. Atra Pashyatu
Unmilitam and yena.
Anuswaraha asti. Anuswara. Paravarnaha yakaraha asti. You didn't come for the last class. But since we had already in 2 places we have seen this. There are 3 letters. Ya, va, la. Agachati. Tasya anunasika varnaha bhavati. Ya iti. Ya tasya upari Chandrabindu bhavati. Tad agachati atra.
But it's that Chandrabindu is not written over here.
No, it is not here. See, here it is written separately. I am asking you to see where is the possibility of such a sandhi.
Okay.
Because in the slokam it is not written, but
Not
pronouncing time you can say like that. Especially in the Rudra Mandal when you chant, they are very particular about that's how you have to chant. Any sloka, anything you chant, you have to chant like that. In fact, even our Sahana Vavatu, Tatrapi Agachite. I will come to it later, okay?
Yeah.
So, Atra Pashitu, Chachu Akshurunmilitaum Yena. Another ya comes.
Unmilitau, you have to say.
Yakarasya upari Chandrabindu, Tad Bhavati. Anunasika Yakara. Tasmai Panine Namaha. Then Sushila Mahodaya Bhavati.
Vakyakaram Vararuchim. So Makara has to come. So Vararuchim Bashk.
Anana. Tasmat Purvam
Vakyakaram. Okay. Vakyakaram Vakara with Chandrabindu. So Anunasika Vakara. So
So how will you pronounce it?
Vakyakaram Vararuchim.
Vakyakaram Vararichim. You have to give that nasal sound. Vakyakaram Vararichim. Atra Pashyatu.
Vararuchim. So here it is only Makara will come. So Vararuchim
Bhashyakaram. Atra Atrapi Tadeva.
Vakyakaram.
Anuswarat Paraha Pavargaha asti. Atra bha asti, atra pa asti. Astu va?
Bhaskaram Patanjali.
Atra eva mama. I have a doubt. Let me see. Paninim Sutrakaram.
Only, no? So Sakara.
Slide is not there, no? Maalatee Varge, B2 classmate, this slide is not there, no?
It is, which one?
Last class.
No, that WhatsApp madhye, Maalatee Varge classmate, slides are there, no?
Maalatee Varge madhye na asti, my students madhye asti. This I sent it yesterday.
Yeah, in my students
for you
it is there.
Ekanimisham. I have a doubt on this, so I want to.
Even Parasavarna Sandhi WhatsApp madhye asti.
Parasavarna Sandhi WhatsApp madhye tat class madhye stapinam asti tatra. Slide, if you go to the class, it will be there. Only thing I have not linked it. If I link it, in the classroom, that blue line comes under that. For that, I have to do it in the computer. I'm still not very clear how to do. I take my brother-in-law's help. He was not well, but I just wrote the slide number there.
Okay.
So this I'm not sure. Paninim Sutrakaram. Atra kim agachati, I'm not sure. I will look at it and let you know.
So here it will be Sutrakarancha.
Sutrakarancha. Chavargasya Panchamava. Pranatosmi. Atra pashyatu. Pranataha asmi. Pranataha visargasya ukaraha, then gunasandhi, then avagraha chinna. Pranataha asmi, pranatosmi.
Then is that there is
this
one
comes
with
in place of akara.
Akara, but that is also one sandhi, right? I forgot.
That is not a sandhi. See, when it is there, you don't have to say pranato asmi. You have to say pranatosmi only. But people will understand.
Purva Rupa Sandhi or something?
So this is, it may come in that. That avagraha. So avagraha, we've still not studied it.
Purva Rupa Sandhi last year we did, no?
You did it?
Yeah, I think it was Purva Rupa
That
Sandhi.
avagraha. Munitrayam. Mastu. So this is two purposes I had. I want you people to learn this shloka by heart.
Okay.
Oh? So in every class we will say it. So whenever you start studying Panini Sutras, that time Panini will bless you. If you go on saying that, at least prayers now, then start studying later whenever it is you're comfortable to study. Okay? Till then, at least say the prayers. These 5 shlokas you can learn, 4 shlokas you can learn, no?
Okay.
Even if you don't learn it by heart, we will in every class we will say, if possible, I will put the slide in that this thing classroom. Astu va? Eka nimisham. I will today's slide I will take. Today, so this is sorry. Eka nimisham.
No problem.
Why it is not? Why it is? Why it is not playing? Sorry. Eka nimisham. 1 minute. I will try to.
Mahodaya, Kim Drishtavati, is it correct statement?
Eka nimisham. I'm trying to see why it is not going the slideshow mode. Start from beginning. एकनिमिषम् इदानीं पश्यामि. एकनिमिषम्, please. Just give me on. Because it had gone to the last slide, no? It is not starting from the first slide. Now I think it will come. 1 minute. Idani. We will see Anuswara Sandhi. Because, everywhere, these 3 are, interrelated. This is the last of that. We will see. Slideshow. So this Punaravalokanam we will skip because we have done it many times. Shtutva, Jashtva we have done. Anunasika we have done. Parasavarna we have done. So we are doing Anuswara Sandhi. I will straight away come to Anuswara Sandhi. Veena Mahodaya, bhavati patatu.
Anuswara Sandhihi. Yatra paravarnaha vyanjanam asti tatra padante sthitasya purva varnasya makarasya anuswaraha adeshaha bhavati. Padante makaraha plus vyanjanam gives makarasya anuswaraha.
Anuswaraha. अत्र किं दत्तमस्ति अनुस्वारः अधः किमपि
अनुस्वारः equal to there's nothing more after that.
Nothing more, no? Okay. एकनिमिषम् I will sorry, I will put इदानीं वीणा महोदय भवती पठतु. We will then go one by one.
पदान्ते मकारः plus vyanjanam gives makarasya anuswaraha. First one, satyam plus vada, satya plus makaraha plus vakaraha plus ada gives satya plus anuswaram plus vakara plus ada, satyam vada.
अत्र पश्यतु पूर्ववर्णस्य पदान्ते पूर्ववर्णः मकारः. Then परवर्णः व्यञ्जनं भवति चेत् तत्र मकारस्य स्थाने अनुस्वारः आगच्छति. सत्यं वद. पठतु.
धर्मं प्लस चरा, धर्म plus makara plus chakara plus ara gives dharma plus anuswaram plus chakara plus ara, dharmam chara.
So, okay, I will finish this and then ask you some question on the previous sandhi also.
Okay.
Atra vadatu.
Vanim plus vande is vani plus makara plus vakara plus ande is vani plus anuswara plus vakara plus ande, vanim vande. Evam plus kritva, eva plus makara plus kakara plus rutva is eva plus anuswara kakara rutva evam kritva.
अत्र पश्यतु, एतद् अनुस्वार सन्धि विषये अस्ति. अत्र पश्यतु, अनुस्वारसन्धे अत्र रूपं किं भवति? सत्यं वद. सो अत्र अन्या सन्धिः भवितुम् अर्हति वा? अत्र किं सत्यं वद
परसवर्णसन्धि also.
किं भवति तत्र?
सत्यं वद. सत्यं
वद. That is what I want you people to connect.
So when you pronounce
your mind. Satyam vada.
Satyam vada.
Veena Mahodaya bhavati vadatu atra kim bhavati?
Dharmam chara.
Dharmam chara asti. Atra parasavara sandhi agacchi चेत् किं भवति? चकारस्य पञ्चम वर्गीय व्यञ्जनं किम्?
धर्मञ्चर.
धर्मञ्चर. चित्रा महोदय भवती वदतु. वाणीं वन्दे. Third one. You are mute, Chitraji. You are muted. Chitra Mahodaya. Unmute करोतु.
वाणी वन्दे.
किं भवति?
वकारः
अस्ति.
So वाणीं वन्दे.
वाणीं वन्दे. वकार अनुनासिक वकार भवति. सुशीला महोदय भवती वदतु अत्र किं भवति?
एवं कृत्वा.
So you also learned the anuswara sandhi and then how further it goes to the parasavara sandhi. Because there are
both are Mahodaya, that means evam kritva is also you can pronounce, you can also pronounce as evam kritva.
Yeah, because that is vikalpena patitam asti kila vikalpena. But you must know You must
Okay.
understand. Huh? So that is why, together I'm telling you so that it stays in your mind.
And this rule or Anuswara Sandhi is only for Makara, right?
See, Anuswara Sandhi, yes. The Ma becomes Anuswara.
Anuswara.
Mo Anuswara is this. Then it becomes, that Anuswara becomes something else. Astu va? Shishila Mahodaya Bhavati Pattu.
यत्र पदमध्ये पूर्ववर्णः नकारः वा मकारः अस्ति परवर्ण I'm not able to see there
You are
because
not able to see
yeah
there?
nyamana
Gananam.
nyamaganaनां वर्जयित्वा वर्जयित्वा वर्गीयव्यञ्जनं वा शशसः वा अस्ति तत्र पूर्णवर्णस्य अनुनासिका भवति. It must be
Anuswara.
I can't read there. I am not able to read that.
Anuswara bhavati.
Anuswara.
I don't know. See, when
No, because my picture. No. The pictures are coming in that, so I am not able to see this.
Okay, now the picture is gone, no?
No. I mean, it's all our this thing is seen. No, that is why I'm not able to know. I don't know how to close this. That is why.
Okay. So now where our pictures went, I don't know. It's okay. Bhavati patatu.
पदमध्ये नकारः मकारः
Atava makarah.
पदमध्ये नकारः मकारः, right?
That is the purva. That is the
Purva.
Nakarah atava makarah. Either this or that. And
वर्गीयव्यञ्जनम् अथवा शशसः will give us नकारस्य अथवा मकारस्य अनुस्वारः. ञमङ्गणानां
See, Panchama Varnan Varjayitva. See, this Paravarnaha is only the 4 Vargaya Vyanjanas. Astuva? Leaving out these 5. Nyamanganana. Varjayitva. Nyamangananam Varjayitva. Vargaya Vyanjanam va sha sa saha va bhavati. Tatra purva varnasya anuswaraha bhavati. Iti dantamasti.
That means the whole same lines, Anuswara has to be used. Right?
Chitra Mahodaya Bhavati Patatu.
Anuswara. पदमध्ये नकारः अथवा मकारः अधिकं वर्गीयव्यञ्जनम् अथवा शसः अनुस्वारः यशान् अधिकं सि यशांसि यशा नकारः यशा अधिकं नकारः अधिकं सकारः अधिकं इ gives yasha adhikam anuswaraha adhikam sakaraha adhikam I gives yashansi.
Nakarasya sthane anuswaraha. Astu va? See, whatever comes as the adesha, that based on that the sandhi is named. Astuva, I told you, for a Jashtu Sandhi, everywhere that is the same. So, because Anuswara is the Adesha in this Sandhi, it is called Anuswara Sandhi. Chitra Mahodaya Patatu.
Akram adhikam syate. Akra adhikam makaraha adhikam sakaraha adhikam yate. Gives akra adhikam anuswaraha adhikam sakaraha adhikam yate gives akram yate makaraha sthane
anuswara. See, the paravarna is yasha saha. Either that or the 4 vargiya vyanjanas. Understood va? Avagatam va?
So this rule is also for not only makara, it is also for nakara, anunasika.
Yes,
And
yes.
one more thing,
Let us-
Mahodaya, I
And
found
अत्र
anuswara,
पश्यतु अत्र पश्यतु
anuswara.
वीणा महोदय भवती कोष्टकं पठतु.
She is gone out somewhere, Mahodaya. His video is off.
Then भवती पठतु सुशीला महोदय.
Mahodaya, again, I have a issue of if it's, can you share a
Shall I
small, reduce this picture?
I don't know how to reduce it.
Because I don't know how to remove my pictures from this. Otherwise, it isn't moving also.
Oh, you are not able to read.
This last Sunday, this Sandhi Adesha, that side I'm not able to
Okay,
read.
you read and then I will tell you what it is.
Okay. Purvavarnaha
पठतु.
Purvavarna Padante Makaraha Adhikam Paravarnaha Vyanjanam
सन्धिकार्यम् आदेशः अनुस्वारः मकारस्य अनुस्वारः पदान्ते मकारः मकारस्य अनुस्वारः भवति.
Adhikam Vyanjanam gives, again I don't know what is written.
मकारस्य अनुस्वारः भवति. Ma becomes anuswara, that's all.
Okay.
Then you read the next line. Padamadhye
Nakaraha athava makaraha adhikam vargiya vyanjanam athava shashasah nyamanganānan varjayitva.
Vargiya vyanjana means only 4, not all the 5.
Gives, I don't know what is written there. I am not able.
Nakar, actually the nakarasya iti bhavitabhyam nakasya iti dattamasti. I will correct it. Please note, one of you note it, no? Nakasya iti dattam, na? Nakarasya. Sushila Mahodaya, she is not able to see. Chitra Mahodaya, bhavati note karotu. Corrections karke. Corrections. Nakarasya. So nakarasya makarasya anuswaraha bhavati. Padamadhye nakarah va athava makarah agacchati. Tananantaram vargiya vyanjanam shasasah or shasasah agacchati chet nyamangana nanam varjayitva, then nakarasya makarasya sthane anuswarah agacchati. Astu va?
Padam madhye means in the middle of the word.
In a word, idanim drishtavantah kala.
That samnaya, what we saw, that one.
What? Ekan Bishop Sushila Mahodaya, this you are able to see, this line?
Yes.
See, atra pashyatu, yashamsi is the word.
Okay.
See, because that na was there, because it is in the middle of the word.
No, that,
Akramsyate. It is akramsyate.
So that sambandha where we read.
Like that. Yeah. See, that is padamadhye. Padamadhye nityam. You remember? So this is all the padamadhye nityam. Astu? Chitra Mahodaya, bhavati padtu. Chitra.
Makarasya aparivartanam.
Makarasya aparivartanam. Okay, you read, then I will explain. Makarasya aparivartanam. Apari
va apari va.
Aparivartanam. Iti dattam baba.
Aparivartanam. Okay. Vakye yadi makarantam vyanjanam ante asti makarantasya padasya anantaram swaram asti chet makarasya anuswaraha na bhavati.
Atra pashyatu. Vakye yadi makarantam vyanjanam ante asti. Vakyasya ante. Atra pashyatu. Punyam karaniyam. Vakyasya antah. Then full stop is there. Virama chinna asti kila. Atra you cannot put anuswara. There makara only has to come. Aparivartanam means na parivartanam. Change doesn't happen. Punyam, atra punyam iti अनुस्वारः अस्ति, परन्तु अत्र करणीयम् इति अनुस्वारः न लेखनीयं. करणीयम् इति मकारमेव लेखनीयं, यतः वाक्यस्य अन्ते अस्ति. Understood? It is the end of the sentence, last word of the sentence. अस्तु वा? अवगतं वा? अत्र पश्यतु. Then second word is मकारान्तस्य पदस्य अनन्तरं स्वरम् अस्ति चेत्. पूर्वतन सर्वं उदाहरणं किम् अभवत्? व्यञ्जनम् अभवत्. परन्तु अत्र पश्यतु, ग्रामम् अस्ति. परवर्णं किं भवति? व्यञ्जनं न, स्वरः भवति किल? तत्र ग्रामम् इति अत्र अनुस्वारः न लेखनीयम्, अशुद्धं. ग्रामम् एव लेखनीयं, यतः परवर्णः स्वरः. These are the only two rules. End of the sentence, it is the last word of the sentence, or it is followed by a swara. In these two places, you cannot write anuswara. You have to write
Actually,
only
these
makara.
rules we have learnt even in the first class itself, but we didn't know that what
you
it
have
was.
learnt.
We didn't learn it as a
only
sandhi,
As
but
a sandhi, that's all.
So, see, all this, it comes naturally, because having studied for at least for 2-3 years, you will automatically write it correctly. Astu va? But just to know the rule. So makara aparivartanam, where the makara does not change into anuswara. Astu va? Sandhim karotu. Veena agatavati va? Veena Mahoday bhavati vadatu.
Sanjanam plus
Sajjanam.
Okay, Sajjanam plus Manaya. Sajjanam Manaya. With Anuswara.
Katham lekaniyam. Because phonetically it sounds the same. So, in the place of makara,
Anuswara lekani. Sajjanam Manaya. Sarvam plus Sthanam. Same way, Sarvam Sthanam. The Anunasika. Anuswara.
Sarvam Sthanam. Sushila Mahoday bhavati padatu.
Pustakam adhikam pasya. In the place of makara, there will be anunasika. So pustakam.
You're very feeble, Mahoday. I'm not able to hear you properly.
Can you hear me now? I don't understand.
Okay.
Pustakam plus pasya. Makarasya sthane anunasika. Anuswara bhavati. So pustakam pasya. I don't understand. I know how to. I don't know how to increase the volume anyway.
No, now we can hear.
Okay. Veenam vadayati. Here, makarasya sthane anuswaraha bhavati. But it is also, you have to use that vakara. So to Veenam vadayati. You have to pronounce it.
After this, because Parasavana Sandhi happens, Veenam vadayati.
But we don't have to write that, right, no, Mahadev? Veenam vadayati, you have to write.
You don't have to write, but you can read it like that.
Okay.
It is good to know. That is how it happens. If something is written like that, you should know what it is.
Read it.
Suppose in some book it is written like that, you should know what it is. Astu va? Chitra Mahoday bhavati.
Vakyam adhikam shrunotu. Vakya makarasthane anuswaraha bhavati. Vakyam shrunotu. Aapanam adhikam gatva. Makarasthane anuswaraha bhavati.
Anantaram एतत् किं भवति किमपि भवति वा अनन्तरम् आपणं गत्वा इति
आपणं गत्वा अनुस्वारः
अनुस्वार अनन्तरं कापि सन्धिः भवति वा तत्र अहं पृच्छामि आपणं गत्वा तदेव वीणा महोदय
मालायां सूत्रं मालायाम् अनुस्वार सूत्रं दुःखं त्यज दुःखं त्यज विद अनुस्वार दुःखं त्यज
दुःखं त्यज अनन्तरं किमपि भवति वा
दुःखं इट् बि दुःखं त्यज
तवर्गस्य अनुनासिकवर्णः आगच्छति दुःखं त्यज but it is only optional.
Okay.
So suppose somewhere it is written like that, you should know what it is.
Okay.
Phalam
khadatu. Phalam khadatu. Anuswara.
Anantaram
phalang khadatu.
Astu va? Now Shishila Mahodaya bhavati vadatu ashuddham chet shuddhikarotu. You know what it is, no? If it is wrong, correct it.
Yeah, makarasya tane anunasika bhavati ashuddham.
Anuswaraha.
Anuswara. Every time I'm saying anunasika. Anuswara.
Ashamsa.
Ashamsa. Papakaryani Tyakvam. Makara bhavati instead of anuswara.
परन्तु तदेव वा इतोपि किमपि अस्ति वा तत्र
पापकार्याणि
त्यक्तव्यम् इति तत्र अनुस्वारः दत्तम् अस्ति अनुस्वारः न भवति यतः
मकार भवति
why that anuswara should not be there?
It is the end of the word.
End. Okay. So papakarani tyaktavyam. Tadeva va itopi kimapi ashuddham asti va tasmin vakye.
Anything else?
Anybody say, one of you, anybody who can find out anything else wrong there?
Vakara tyaktavyam. That in that way?
No. Veena Mahodaya, bhavati try karotu. Is the sentence correct? Papakaryani tyaktavyam.
Tyajya, no.
This is lot only, no? Tyaktavyam. No.
Tavya. Actually, I won't say it is wrong, but there is another way of saying it also. See, Papakaryani iti बहुवचने अस्ति किल अतः पापकार्याणि त्यक्तव्यानि इति वक्तुं शक्यते परन्तु त्यक्तव्यमति ओके बट because here it is an example for this anunasika sandhi anuswara sandhi so papakaryam त्यक्तव्यम would have been a better sentence but this is all normally
papakaryam त्यक्तव्यम
no karyam iti napumsakalingam त्यक्तव्यम् इति भवेत् चेत् कर्मणि अतः पापकार्याणि इति प्रथमा विभक्ति पापकार्यं त्यक्तव्यं would be a better way of saying it. See, if you say पापकार्याणि त्यक्तव्यानि because this is like an visheshana यत् लिंगम यत् वचनम या विभक्ति विशेष्यस्य तद् लिंगम तत् वचनम सा विभक्ति विशेषणस्य त्यक्तव्यम् इति विशेषणं भवति अतः पापकार्यं त्यक्तव्यम् अत्र अनुस्वारसन्धेः उदाहरणं भवति किल अतः एतदपि पापकार्यम् इति भवेत् चेत् समीचीनं भवति परन्तु अत्र पापकार्याणि इति एव दत्तम् अस्ति but you should be alert to all this. See, because
is this wrong? Papakaryani tyaktavyam.
Yeah, because Papa Karyani, see,
is plural.
Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachanam kila.
Okay.
Krishna Mahodaya agatavan va?
No.
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 I thought I heard some voice. Okay.
No.
It's my chance? No. No, not mine.
Chitra bhavati vadatu. Chitra Mahodaya bhavati vadatu.
Krishna, Mam Palaya. Mam Palaya is Anuswaraha.
K Krishna Mam Palaya. Why? Why? Because it is not at the end of the sentence, nor is it followed by a swara. Okay.
Samshayaha. Samshayaha.
Ashuddham chet shuddhi karotu. If it is wrong, you correct it.
Samshayaha shuddham asti.
Then Veena Mahodaya bhavati vadatu.
Katham should be makara because the end of a sentence. Sanskritam, if it's end of a sentence, it should be Sanskritam.
Etadeva va?
Et and some sa with anuswara.
So here also makarasya sthane anuswara.
Anuswara sthane makara.
Idanim Sushila Mahodaya bhavati vadatu.
Krishnam anusarati here anuswara sthane makarah bhavati. Ashuddham asti.
Etah swaraha.
Swaraha asti. Aswaraha asti. Samharaha ashuddham asti.
Sushila Mahodaya bhavati
Jalam
vadatu.
anaya anuswara sthane akara makara agachati because a is swara.
Iti swaraha asti ata jalam anaya. Astu va? So
The end.
This thing is over.
Mahodaya, I wanted to know also one thing. Last time, in certain that Anvaya Rachana, even yesterday Chitra was also asking me the same thing. There, in some places, you write Kim and
what? In some places?
You have to say Kim, somewhere it is come.
See, when you read the shloka, you know, if you know it is a napumsaka, the answer is going to be a napumsaka linga padam. You ask the question as Kim.
Even in Ditya.
You know what is the answer going to be, right? Huh? So when you know it is a napumsaka linga padam, you ask the question Kim.
Okay.
Tadrishameva.
Otherwise, it has to be come.
No, if it is a pullinga padam, it can be strilingam also.
I
See,
know.
you
So
already
if it
know
is
the
a
answer.
pullinga padam, no, I'm asking if it's a pullinga padam, Dvitiya Vibhakti.
If it is a pullinga padam, come. If it is a strilinga padam, come. If it is a napumsakalinga padam, kim. Tadeva. Sarvatra, in this thing also. So, of course, see, napumsakalinga and pullinga, from Tritiya Vibhakti, sarvam samanameva. Ataha prashnaha na agachyate tatra. Parantu strilinge, tadapi vinnam bhavati kila. So, वयं जानीमः न उत्तरं किं भविष्यति इति. उत्तर स्त्रीलिङ्गे अस्ति वा पुल्लिङ्गे अस्ति वा. सो तदनुसारं प्रश्नमपि तादृशमेव पृच्छामः. You already know the answer. So for that, normally they say, no, for that answer, what type of a question will you ask?
You will ask.
Mahodaya, kim karoti? ऐसा प्रश्न.
See, what are you doing? Kim karoti iti tatra, kaho karoti iti तत्र किम् इति किं भवति कर्ता न भवति तत्र कर्म भवति what are you doing किं मित्रे नपुंसकलिङ्गं तत्र तत् कर्म न कर्ता न कर्म भवति कः करोति तत्र कर्ता भवति कः करोति रामः करोति रामः किं करोति रामः पठनं करोति अवगतं वा
So kim is always either for a napusakalinga word or only or for a or it could be even for rest.
पश्यतु किं दृष्टं
न किं
एकनिमिषं किं दृष्टम् इति अहं पश्यामि चेत् अहं पृच्छामि चेत् तत्र उत्तरं किमपि नपुंसकलिङ्गपदं भवति इति मया तादृशं प्रश्नं पृष्टं भवति मया फलं दृष्टं
even we can say chitram drishtam chitram is also a napusakalinga
तादृशमेव
so okay
इतोपि किमपि अस्ति वा but last week's did you understand I explained that
yes karmani and all that yeah only when you said it I realized that
when it is a karmani you can't ask any other question so you have to start with tritiya vibhakti and then go back astu va avagatam na
yeah so that you understand with the karma
your face is not confidently saying you understood Chitra avagatam
yeah
if it's then it's
not like that Mahoday, I'm thinking
okay so shake your head well then I'll know that because I will not go to the next one unless I see that you have understood
so when we see that tritiya vibhakti I'm sorry that karmani prayoga then we have to ask the first question as in tritiya only
asva then ekanimisham I will go to the next there is one more thing this chatva sandhi is there let me see how much time is there otherwise I'll only there is time I think we can
half an hour is there I think
we can do it should not be a problem एतदपि तदेव अभवत् एकनिमिषम् तत्र पुनरवलोकनं we will not look at it because we've done enough of punaravalokanam पठतु वीणा महोदय भवती पठतु
चर्त्वसन्धिः यदा यमयणनान् यं वर्जयित्वा वर्गीयव्यञ्जनेभ्यः झल् कर्कशव्यञ्जनं खर् परं भवति तदा तस्य स्थाने तद्वर्गस्य प्रथमव्यञ्जनं चर् आदेशः भवति उदाहरणं दिग् प्लस् पालः दिक्पालः
actually this and jastva sandhi go hand in hand
it's okay it's opposite like it comes to the first one
see atra pashyatu Atra tatrapi tadev na nan varjayitva. Only the four purva varna bhavati. Paravarnaha mrudu vanjana bhavati. Atra paravarnaha karkasha vyanjanam. Ataha तद्दद्वर्गस्य प्रथमवर्णः आदेशः भवति. अत्र पश्यतु दिग् पालः.
What is this jal and khar?
All this, Maheshwara Sutra.
Maheshwara Sutra. Okay.
In fact, I gave you a lot of exercise for you to write the pratyahara. None of you wrote or none of you told me. If you had written all that, you would have known.
Yeah.
If you had done a little work on
that. No, I just wanted, I knew, okay, if it is.
No. See, because he has made it so concise and so this thing, the minute that current word comes, all that should come in your mind. How will it come? So, like Vijaya Mahodaya Uktavati, na? Kantasti karniyam eva, kantasti karniyam eva. You have to go. I think today
don't remember. Even if you try doing it now, I seem to, I'm not able to remember it.
Memorize.
No.
Memorizing
it doesn't come easy. It's very, they say, no, potana true in Tamil. You have to go on rutting, something ratav. In Hindi also they say like that. Ratmarna hai. Ratmarna hai. Something they say, like how we used to do the tables. No, we never understood the logic of that. We never counted 4 fours or 4 ones or 4 twos. 8 means after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We didn't count. We just repeated what the teacher told us. 16, 16 or 256. Even if you are woken up from sleep, your father asks, you will say that. We didn't know the logic behind it. This is also, we need not know the logic, but we'll just by heart it, learn it by heart. And at our age, it is very difficult to learn it by heart. No, it doesn't happen. Children,
even if we try doing it, after 2-3 days, you again forget.
That is what I'm saying. Children, they retain their retention. See, our brain is filled with so many things, no?
Other things, yes.
No place for anything more to come. But we are trying our best. That's why we have to do more work than the children.
Yes.
See, when you go to the
effort has to be more.
Ashtadhyayi class, that small boy, how beautifully repeats, he recites, So we find it difficult because for them, they just, like how the children learn in the Veda Patashala.
Correct.
All this difficult, these things, how with all the intonations, how they say. Now I'm trying to learn Rudram. Where Spurita comes, where Udata comes, nothing stands in their mind. They just do something like in their hand, that something they do. The children, 7, 9-year-old boys, how beautifully that comes by practice only. Atra pashyatu dig palaha. So this karkasha
ulta digpalaha, digpalaha, like that we were doing. Now
So the same thing. Actually, we should have learnt it one after the other. It sort of it slipped out. I didn't take it soon after that because in the previous class this slide was somewhere later than that. So Atra pashyatu. 1 minute, I will write everything. Atra pashyatu. Next one, Sushila Mahodaya, Bhavati Patatu. You can read?
Yeah,
you can see?
उदाहरण वर्गीयव्यञ्जनं पञ्चमवर्णविहाय अधिकं कर्कशव्यञ्जनं तद्वर्गीयप्रथमवर्णः जल अधिकं खर gives
is equal to char. Actually, that sutram for this is 1 minute. 1 nimisham. Kari cha. Kari. Sutram kari.
Kha, cha. Oh, that kha, pa, cha, ta, ta, cha, ta, ta. In that it is.
That, yeah. Kar, ka, pa, cha, ta.
Kar is.
Okay, now read, Shishila Mahoday.
Udaharanani. Virad adhikam purushah virat purusha. Dakarasya sthane takara.
Pratama. Dakarasya तद्वर्गस्य प्रथम वर्गीयव्यञ्जनम् आगच्छति तत्र. Then
विपद अधिकं कालः
विपत्कालः
स्थाने तकारः. अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. अनुष्टुप्
छन्दः
पकारः. अस्मद् अधिकं पुत्रः दकारस्य स्थाने तकारः आदेशः.
तादृग् कर्म तादृग् कर्म. So all these are all. So you see this, astu va? This is the first and second vyanjana of the varga. Karkasha vyanjanam. They are called karkasha vyanjanam. Purva varnaha.
I'll read this.
Purva varnaha, like in Jastva Sandhi, only the first four. Panchama vargiya vyanjanam vihaya. Jastva Sandhi also the same thing was there, no? Paravarnaha eva tatra mrudu vyanjanaha asit atra karkasha vyanjanam. Vargasya pratama dvitiya vyanjanam karkasha vyanjanam bhavati. Atra paravarnaha tad bhavati. Purvarnaha tadeva. Astu va? Tad vargiya vargasya. Atra kim dattamasti? Third column मध्ये.
Karkasha vyanjan. Oh, that I can't read. Third I can't read.
You can't see. You can see, Veena Mahodaya.
I can see the first four. Sandhi karyam adeshaha char. First one ka kha ga gha becomes ka. Cha cha ja ja becomes cha. Ta tha da dha becomes ta. Ta tha da dha becomes ta. Pa pha ba bha becomes pa.
So if you study Jastu Sandhi and Chartva Sandhi together, you compare. Now that this is there, you go to the slide or this thing and try to keep it. If you had downloaded that app, Vyoma Sandhi app, everything is in a page, like, like a flashcard, as I told you to make, Tatra flashcard, Tadrishameva Bhavati Tatra. It is like a flashcard only. You can just open your phone and see. Sandhim karotu. Chitra Mahodaya Bhavati Patatu.
Chitra is gone.
She is gone. Then Veena Mahodaya Bhavati Patatu.
Vipad plus pratikaraha. Vipat pratikaraha.
Vipat pratikaraha. Tavargasya pratama bhavati.
Shed plus khadhyani. Shat khadhyani. Tavarga. Davarga becomes tavarga. Sampad plus karanam. Sampat karanam.
Then Shishila Mahodaya Bhavati Patatu.
Ud plus patati. Utpatati. Parivrang plus sangha. Parivrad. Sorry. Parivrad. Not. Sampad plus Kumara. Sampat Kumara.
Sampat Kumara. And we normally keep that name, Sampat Kumar. Chitra Mahodaya Bhavati Patatu.
Turashat plus Sarvat. Turashat Sarvat.
What does this Turashat mean?
I have to see Turashat. I will look for it. If you can write it, I will look. The last weeks I had given you all the meanings.
Yes.
Swing and other things, talking and something and all. You write it and I will look for it. Chitra Mahodaya Bhavati.
Ritvik plus Putra. Ritvik Putra.
Ritvik is the Pandits in the Yagam, no? They are called Ritviks.
Edat plus parshvam, etat parshvam.
Etad plus parshvam, etat parshvam. Astu va?
Parshvam means
Side.
side.
Parshve Shanka Padmaniri. In some shloka it comes. Parshve Shanka Padminadi. Somewhere it comes. Veena Mahodaya.
Or even in that, in Rama's thing, they explain there on the this side, Sita is there. And
Yes.
something like
Pattabhisheka,
that.
that's scene,
Picture.
no? Yes. Suddenly
Sandhi
I'm going to-
Vichedam. Bhagavat Puja will be Bhagavad plus Puja. Shat Phalani, Shed plus Phalani. Gunavat Purushaha, Gunavad plus Purushaha.
Sushila Mahodaya, Bhavati Vatatu.
Vak Prayoga. Vag Prayoga. Kukut Sata.
Kakuts.
Kakuts. Kakuts. Kakuts Sata. Kakud Sata.
Kakud Astaha.
The Kakutstha is what? The Kakutstha and
Actually,
this is...
that is Kakuts. It is Kakud. Actually, it is that hump of the bull. Kakud.
Oh.
So
okay.
that the Vamsha is called Kakutstha Vamsha.
Okay. That's why it related. Kakutsa Vamsham is related.
Rama's
Vamsha is
that's
why. Okay.
Kakutstha. Kakut. From that Kakutstha Vamsham. That Vamsham. Kakud is actually that hump of the bull. Tatra staha. The word staha comes means you must know that standing, tishtati. So you should be able to immediately connect that pratyaya, the thing which comes, what it could be, like that. Sushila. Sarid tatra. Chitra Mahodaya, Bhavati Padatu.
Jagat Karta. Jagat plus Karta. Rad plus Karta. Rad. Mahad Talpam.
Mahad Talpam. That also I have to find out what it means. So we had enough. So, Bhavati Padatu, Veena Mahodaya, one
Shlokaha. Sampatsu Mahatam Chittam Bhavedutpalakomalam Apatsu cha Mahashaila Shila Sanghata Karkasham. Niti Shatakam.
So, can you do the Pada Vichedam?
Sampatsu is one word. Mahatam Chittam Bhaved Palakomalam. Utpalakomalam. Utpalakomalam. Apatsu cha Mahashaila Shila Sanghata
Karkasham. That is a samasa.
Sanghata Karkasham.
So, are you able to make out some meaning of it?
Karkasham is rough.
Rough. Hard. Hard. Any of you can make out any meaning out of it?
Utpala Komalam is something is soft. That
soft.
Is,
yeah.
Then
Mahatam is the flower, that lotus flower. Utpala Komalam. Sampatsu Mahatam Chintam. Sampatsu Apatsu. Are you able to recognize what?
Sampatsu is richness and Apatsu is water, or is either water or Apaha is sky, I think. Apaha is sky or
Sampad
or difficulties.
Sampad, Sampad, during
good times.
Good times. Apad is the time of
difficulties.
So Sampatsu, Apatsu, are you able to make out what the word is, what it means?
It is
the minute you see Su,
Saptami.
Saptami Bahuvachanam.
Saptami Bahuvachanam.
Sampatsu. During the time of
Difficulties.
good time, during
good times,
in
your
good
mind
times.
is very soft or something. I mean, Komalam.
Yeah, Mahatam. Of whose mind? Not everybody's
Chittam.
mind. The people with great people,
Great people,
Mahatam
Mahatam.
Chittam. Mahatam Chittam. Tatra Shashti Vibhakti. Sampatsu Mahatam Chittam Utpala Komalam Bhavet or Utpala Komalam Iva Bhavet. Like that, Iva also you can Adhyahartam Kartum Shakyate. Parantu Utpala Komalam Bhavet. You can say soft like a metal. Normally, Iva you can Adhyahartam. Bhavet. Sampatsu Mahatam Chittam Utpala Komalam Bhavet. During time of good times, the mind, the heart, the minds of the great people, it's very soft. I mean, they enjoy good things, they come, there. All is good. Everything is rosy. Okay. Apatsu, during the difficult time.
Mahashaila.
Mahashaila Shila Sanghata Karkasham. Mahashailasya Shila. Like the big Mahashaila is a big mountain. Shila is a part, a rock.
Rock.
Sanghata Karkasham. It becomes because they have to bear that bad things, no? So if they have a heart like a soft flower, they will break down. That is where, they say, no, something like, good people last. Now I'm not getting that saying.
This is
No, not that. During bad
but this
time,
is only for Mahan people, or it is a thing for all, or is it for only
because
Mahan?
in the first sentence it is talking about the Mahatam people, Mahatam Chittam. The second sentence also talks about them only. The great people. Only great people have that quality. No, not every Tom, Dick and Harry has that quality.
So their mind
many of us break down.
But Mahodaya, I mean, why I'm asking is, if they are Mahans, then this duality won't be there. That's why I'm asking. They'll have this.
See,
That is why I'm asking.
Okay, that is why they are Mahan. That is why they are Mahan. So they're telling what their mind will be. So if you want to reach that stage, you have to be like that. See, there are two things. If you are Mahan, this will be your quality. Or if this is your quality, you
then
will be
you
a
Mahan.
You will be a Mahan. Astu? So if you want to be a Mahan, you have to have the quality. Or if you already have the quality, you're already a Mahan. Astu? It is the same thing like chicken, like that.
Yeah.
So I'm something like that.
Anyway.
Oh, no. So Sampatsu Apatsu Saptami Bahuvachanam Mahatam Shashti Mahatam Chittam. Mahatam is
Shashti.
Mahatam it Shashti Bahuvachanam. Mahatam Chittam. Mahataha Mahatoho Mahatam Chittam Ekavachanam only. Ataha Bhaved iti tattamasti. Chittam Bhaved. Apatsu again Mahatam Chittam Adhyahartam Mahashaila Shila Sanghata Karkasham. It becomes hard. They are able to
Shila Sanghata Anuswara Sandhina.
Shila Sanghata. No. Shila Sanghata. Probably you can say that because sun then becomes
Samghata. It will be
Padamadhye.
Padamadhye.
Like that you can say Sanghata.
Here the Kriya.
Mahatam Chittam. What? How can you say? Mahatam Chittam. Parasavarna Sandhi. Kim bhavati tatra? Mahatam
Chittam.
Mahatam Chittam bhavet. Tatrapi Chittam.
Tam
Of course, phonetically we say the same thing. Parantu mahatam chittam iti tatra mahatam chittam. In normal parlance, normal talking, Sambhashana Samskrite, we are not very particular. But in Vedic, when you are reciting the Vedas, तदेव तत् श्लोकमस्ति किल सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तत्र वीस सह वीर्यं करवावहै. But when the Vedic Pandit says सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्वनामधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. So सह वीर्यं they say. We say सह वीर्यं करवावहै. But when the Pandits recite सह वीर्यं करवावहै, that Parasavarna Sandhi comes there. अस्तु वा?
Here the Kriya Padam is bhavet here?
Bhavet, bhavet. अत्र पश्यतु महाजना एकनिमिषम् कोई कापि पठतु चित्रा पठतु भवती.
सामान्यार्थः महाजनानां मनः अभ्युदयकाले कमलवत्.
एकनिमिषं संस्कृतम् is a highly phonetic language. What is there you have to read. अस्तु वा? And you read only what is there. So every word, not like English COULD is there. We don't say cooled, we say could. Because many letters are silent. In Sanskritam, no letter is silent, except where explicitly mentioned. So Abhyudaya Kale. Read slowly. Abhyudaya
Kale Kamalavat Komalam Vikachitancha Bhavati. Vipatti Kale Cha Tesham Manaha Mahata Parvatasya Shila Kanda Punchimiva Punchamiva Katoram Bhavati.
Katoram Bhavati. Mahaprana, Alpa Prana. You have to, when you're reading, you have to pay attention to that. Yeah. Especially when we are learning slokams and all, If we read like that, and if you read it aloud, it is like a pranayama only. Because some of the long words you say without pausing. And it's a breathing exercise. Isn't it? The big word is there. Mahashaila Shila Sanghata Karkasham. If you say it without breaking, with all the Mahaprana, it is a very good breathing exercise, isn't it? It's good for your lungs also. So, atra pashyatu mahajananam manaha abhyudaya kale. Abhyudaya kale means the time of prosperity. Udaya kala, everything is going up. Udaya means not Udaya. Everything is on the
rising,
going up streets. Everything going good. The English word is tough times don't last. Tough people last. Same thing. Tough times don't last, but tough people last. They say no, it is not a crime to fall down, but it is a crime if you do not get up.
Get up. Yes.
Falling down is no crime, but refusing to get up is crime. Isn't it? So if we have to get up, sarvam asti, in this life, everything is there. We have to face as long as we are there. Okay? Tadeva abhyudaya kale meant when the going is good. Kamalavat komalam. They are happy, their thing. Vikachitam cha bhavati. Vikachitam means it's opening. Beautiful lotus flower, in full bloom. Vikachitam. Actually, the vikasita should be a thing.
Vikasita is blooming. Chittam cha, no?
No.
Vikachitta.
I don't know. I have to look at it. I will look at it. I mean,
because here also that chittam is given. Chittam cha bhavati.
No. Chittam vikasitam. Because they're talking about Kamala, na? Vikasita. Vikasita Kamala. Vikasita Mukham. The face is, like a open blooming. So I think it should be Vikasita. Vikachitam, Vika, atra pashyatu, Vika. Okay, whatever it is, we will take it as Vikachita only for now. I want you to look at the Sandhi. Vikachitam cha bhavati. So, Vikachitam cha bhavati. Vikachitam. Pratamam makara asit tatra. Anantaram anuswaraga agachati. Anantaram parasavarna sandhi. See that one word.
So
Vikasitam cha. All the three examples we got. Makara, anuswara, parasavarna. That is how you must be able to. These are all exercises. Anything you read, any bit paper you read in Sanskritam, you can find a lot of examples. Separate exercise is not at all needed. Huh? Vikasitam tabhavati vipattikaale cha tesham manah mahatah parvasya mahashaila shilakhanda shila sangha shilakhanda means a portion of it, a bit, one stone, which katoram bhavati. Katoram bhavitavyamev. If they are weak-hearted, no, they will not be able to face that. No, they have to come out of that, whatever problem is there.
What does puncham mean? Puncham?
Shirakanta
puncham.
Puncha. Tatra api pashyatu. We look at the sandhi, then I will look at the meaning later. Puncham kim bhavati pumcha. That is
Pumcha.
So in the padamadhye pumcham iva shilakanda pumcham. Then puncham. Then puncham. Padamadhye puncham. I will look for the word. Katoram bhavati. Tatra pashyatu. Somebody read. Whose turn is there? Chitra, ba? No, Chitra paditavati, na? Veena Mahodaya, bhavati padtu. Padachedah.
Sampad plus su is sampatsu. Mahatam chittam bhavet. That is bhaved utpala komalam is bhavet, and utpala komalam apatsu cha mahashaila shila sanghata karkasham. One word.
Pashyatu, sampad su iti, just because just now we read this sandhi, no, tatra. So they given it like that. Sampad su. Actually,
but it is saptami vibhakti. It will be just
saptami vibhakti. This is the vibhakti pratyayam. But just for you to understand that sampad su, then it becomes sampad su.
Okay, even apatsu should be apad plus.
Apatsu, but there it is already given like that.
Yeah.
So the same thing, apatsu. So just for you to note this, they were specifically made like that.
Anvayaha. Sampatsu mahatam chittam utpala komalam bhavet. Apatsu cha mahashaila shila sanghata karkasham bhavet.
Other this thing and all we'll look at it because Anvayam and all Karniyam Chetna, it will take time. It's already 7:30. Astuva? I am prayer vadami, prarthanam vadami. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om